I didn't do it alone. I had people very dedicated, very committed, engaged, highly engaged, the best Philippine leadership team supporting me, making it happen. So let me start. First, we continue to be #1 life insurance company in the country. Total Sun Life Philippines continues to be #1 in all key metrics. I heard Carla saying that we're #1 in terms of total premium for the past 14 years, but she was referring to our wholly owned insurance company, which is Lockbee. But total Philippines, including our wholly owned as well as our bank insurance business, combined continues to be the #1 life insurance company in the country in terms of all key metrics, including total premium, new business, and net income. So that's one. Number two, we continue to be financially strong, as evidenced by the fact that we're #1 in terms of net income, and our edge over the #2 player is close to 50%. And that data is based on September 30, 2025 data as reported by the Insurance Commission, and that's the latest data available. Okay, third, in terms of clients, we now have over 6.2 million clients. When I started, we had 5 million clients, so that's over 20% growth in number of clients. And really, that's a testament to the confidence and the trust of our clients with Sun Life Philippines. Now, in terms of brand, and I'm sure our marketing team will be very proud of this, for the 16th year in a row, we continue to be recognized as the most trusted brand in the industry. In fact, correct me if I'm wrong, Carla, I think for the last 7 years, our recognition of being the most trusted brand in the industry has been elevated to platinum level. Okay, so platinum level in terms of brand. Now, in terms of our agency force, we have a formidable agency force with a manpower of over 22,000. But what's more really special about that is we have the most number of million-dollar roundtable advisors, or what they call MDRT. And what's so special about that? That means these are the top quality advisors in the industry who are able to generate a certain amount, really a high level of premium income. So that's what makes that special. Another thing that we've achieved in the last 8 years is our trust business. You see, one of our strategies for the next 5 years is really to strengthen our asset management business. And in the middle of the pandemic, this is in 2022, we set up a new trust company. It's the Sun Life Investment Management and Trust Corporation. And so that happened in 2022, but it's 2026. As of the end of 2025, our Sun Life Investment Management and Trust Corporation ranks either 4 or 5 in terms of AUM. It now has an AUM of about 430 billion pesos in just a span of 3 years. Okay. Another thing that I probably should mention is digital. Especially after the pandemic, we've accelerated our digital and data transformation journey, and this is really to position Sun Life for future growth and relevance. And lastly, I could name more, but I end here. In terms of being recognized as a great place to work at, so consistently for the past 4 years, we've been recognized. But I must say that really our greatest accomplishments, I say I, not mine, our greatest accomplishments are really not measured solely on ambitious targets or by our ranking. They're really measured by the lives we have touched, the relationship with clients that we've nurtured, and the legacy of care, compassion, and excellence that we leave behind. And I personally am leaving behind a company with a strong culture of commitment, optimism, integrity, and excellence. And briefly, let me just explain. When I say commitment, we deliver on our commitment. We deliver on our promise to our clients that in the event that that happens, we are there to deliver on that promise. Okay, so that's in terms of commitment. Second one, in terms of optimism, We enable our clients to dream big, and we don't end there. We provide them with the solutions to get to that big dream. Okay? And then integrity, we always do things the right way. Okay? We let integrity guide our decisions. And lastly, excellence. Here, maybe the best way to explain excellence is to tell you that the goal is not to be number one. To be number one is the outcome of providing excellent quality client experience. So we provide our clients with top quality advice, relevant solutions, caring service, and as a result, it separates us from the competition. So our clients choose us over the competition, and in so doing, they buy more of our products, thus resulting in more sales, making us the number one life insurance company in the country. So I think I've said a lot.
That's a great legacy and a very tall order for your successor here. And also your legacy is being the youngest looking retiree possible, no? Hindi mo kang mag-retire. Alright,